Well, fresh filtered air, that's what schools across North Dakota are experiencing. New this morning, what started as federal grant funding for schools to provide COVID testing in schools is now being put towards air purifiers to help everybody breathe easy.
Yeah, schools all across the state are participating in this initiative to use HEPA air purifiers to filter out toxins and to keep our students and staff healthy. So I'll take you now to a small North Dakota town where thousands of air purifiers are stored for schools all across the state. It's a win-win for the little town of West Hope. Students and school staff are breathing clean air. And this small community is being bolstered by housing over 7,800 air purifiers that are being shipped to schools across the state. Luke Schaefer, who is the CEO of the Central Regional Education Association, says the North Dakota Department of Health and CREA teamed up to find a way to get air purifiers to any school that requested it.
And with our aging buildings, the grant recognized that air purifiers would be an excellent way to keep students in school.
West Hope Superintendent Martin Bratrud jumped at the opportunity as soon as he learned about it.
We saw it as a benefit, not just from the COVID angle, but also from helping with allergies during harvest season, because up here, we get a lot of grain dust up here. It's a farming community.
As North Dakota eCare School Health Program Manager Liz Tuftlin explains, there are also significant benefits during the cold and flu season.
We as parents are sending our kids into school. We know there's large numbers of kids in a room. Having the air purifier there will help kind of clean out any viruses that might be in the room. It'll help decrease the amount of spread of any illnesses that might be going around.
And an added bonus to having air purifiers in the classroom,
I have heard is that for our elementary students, how quickly the air refreshes itself after recesses or FIADs for their room.
While schools all across the state are benefiting from this program, it's an even bigger win for the town of West Hope.
We had a couple empty buildings that were being underutilized. And I said, well, let me find out. I said, how much time do I got? She goes, well, you probably got 2 days. Okay, let's go to work.
And over Christmas break, in the midst of a winter storm, roughly 35 semis rolled into West Hope, and the community came together to get the job done.
They've been just killing it for us, making sure that we could get this program off the ground.
Ben Cartwright is a local business owner who is on the school board, and he also owns one of the storage buildings being used to store the air purifiers.
It's been a huge benefit for the community. The truck drivers were a big part. I own the coffee shop in town, and they would stop up for coffee every morning when they would be in town. So it does trickle down through the whole economy up here.
And while it's in its infancy, schools are already reaping the benefits of air purifiers in the schools.
Kids are starting to stay in school more. So absentee rate, we're already starting to see some improvement in that. We're up 1%.
And for West Hope,
When you look at the residual impacts, it's a major economic investment here in our community.
and the federal grant funding expires June 30th this year, but already over 50% of the schools have placed their orders across the state for those air purifiers.
And the air purifiers come in 3 sizes, and the number of units required in each school varies, typically with 1 air purifier per room.
That's the part that kind of surprised me. I didn't realize, but of course, so you had that gigantic one that was in their lunchroom area there, and then each room has one. So like the West Hope School, I think they have between 20 and 30, maybe like 25 air purifiers, but yeah, it's a lot of air purifiers. 7,800 of them are stored there.
Wow.
All came during that blizzard, and they all just got together and got the job done.
Big relief for a lot of students and parents too.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, it's great. Like I said, it's a farming community here. We have a lot of wind that blows.